No! I did not. It did not. No. This is still fixable. Okay. We just need to get it at its length that it needs to be at. No, it's doing it to this one too. We had to drill a hole through it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Did that shit just come out? Yeah. See, there's a reason why we're drilling holes now. Because we took out the threading. I don't know how much or how well this is going to record. I got the GoPro connected back up to the battery. I got 12 minutes left on the GoPro memory. So, we're taking out the seats today. I'm pulling up all of this carpeting. And then I'm going to be finishing up some more kill mats over here onto the passenger side. I have also taken off this panel too and just threw it away. Ultimately, I have just decided I don't need it. But it's super dirty. I spilt protein shake back here a long time ago, but I was like, oh, it's fine, fuck it, because I'm just gonna replace this anyways. And you know, now we're at that point. But I've also already removed the carpeting from up here in the passenger side. Got a shop vac here with us, and then I got my tool bench right there. So I'll come back with an update. So it turns out that my front seat comes with these cool little features where I can just do this. Ta-da! Look at that. I didn't even know that was there. That makes my life easier. I got the kill mats. They're super reflective. I don't remember the rating of the kill mat that I have, but we're gonna be taking these, putting them up in here, and it's gonna help decrease some cabin noise inside and keep that bass wubs wubbing, you know?
Mm-hmm.